and fold the fan. For the first use, the USB power cord needs to be plugged in. Insert the power adapter or charger output port. Connect the other end to the power interface on the back of the machine for charging. At this time, the work indicator light will turn on for 1 second and then turn off, indicating that the power connection is normal. Button operation method. Single-click the power speed button. The fan speed will cycle through different levels. First gear, second gear, third gear, off cycle. Single-click the light button. The ring light cycles through different brightness levels. Low, medium, high, off cycle. Single-click the SOS button. The ring light will flash alternately between bright and dim. Entering alarm mode. Insert the USB power cord into the power output interface. To reverse charge electronic devices such as mobile phones. Usage scenarios. Desktop fan mode. Ceiling fan mode. Hook needs to be prepared separately. Wall-mounted fan mode. Cleaning and maintenance. Use a screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the rear grille. Rotate the front grille of the fan counterclockwise to open it. Wipe and clean the fan. Then reattach the front grille to the main unit. Tighten the screws. Cleaning complete. Storage. Fold the fan back to its original state. Store it in a cabinet to reduce the required storage space.